Freeze ahead lemon and rosemary lamb cutlets. Start with the buttermilk marinade. Take a large bowl and pour in the buttermilk. Then flavour it with some lemon rind, rosemary, chilli if you're using it, and garlic. Stir to combine well. Season with salt and pepper. Add the lamb cutlets to the buttermilk marinade and turn so they're well coated. Then transfer to a plate. Here's where you can freeze the lamb cutlets for an easy weeknight meal. Grab airtight containers or sealable plastic bags. Arrange the lamb cutlets in a single layer and seal. If you're not freezing your cutlets, leave them to marinate for about 15 minutes for the best flavour. To make the salad, place tomato, mint, and rocket in a large bowl. Drizzle with lemon juice and olive oil. Gently toss to combine and season with salt and pepper. To chargrill the lamb cutlets, heat a barbecue grill or char grill on medium. Add the lamb cutlets and cook for about 2.5 minutes each side for medium, or until they're cooked to your liking. Set the lamb cutlets aside on a plate for about 5 minutes to rest, then serve with salad and lemon wedges to squeeze. Freezing the lamb cutlets ahead means you can get the delicious weeknight meal on the table even faster. For more time-saving recipes, head to our Easy Weeknight Meal playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.